Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Today is currently Friday, February the 20th. Y'all, this month is pretty much over with. And again, we need to know where our money went. So let me go ahead and close out this budget. I'm going to finally open my wallet because I haven't seen the inside of it in a few days now, and I need to see what's left, if anything. I'm pretty sure it's something left because I really haven't been going to the store like that. But this is my current budget. Now, I'll go ahead and swap everything to my closeout. Before we get started with this video, I wanted to talk about the Blessed Ladies Part 2 collaboration. Everything was created by Onyx over at Cash Stuffing with Onyx. I almost said her other YouTube channel. But Cash Stuffing with Onyx, definitely check out her channel. If you want to grab this playlist, we are saving any amounts that we can for the entire year to come up with just some random number we can save. So if you have $5, $2, $3, $20, you get to save that. And you're going to save that with everyone here. So we have Blessed Budgets by Abigail. Of course, Cash Stuffing with Onyx. Into Budget with Bunny 532. Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budget. So that's Trina. We have Save with Judy. We have Vita's Budget. And myself. Do we have any birthdays for the month of February? No, doesn't look like it. So it looks like the next person's birthday will be in April, which is Onyx. Last year for this challenge, I was able to save, I believe, $300. Right now, I have $46 saved. And now we're also going to work on the month of February since this month is almost over. And of course, with the amount that I'm saving, I get to save any amount on the 15th and the 30th. There are multiple challenges available where you could save a certain amount of money on the 15th and the 30th. I've seen people save $15 and $30 for the entire month. Totally up to you. We have the playlist tracker. Of course, I have not written on this because y'all know I like to write everything in pen and I don't want to mess it up. I do need to go through, charge my phone, my other phone, my old Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Yes, that thing is still working, which I'm shocked about, but it's slow, but okay enough to watch YouTube videos. I need to go through, start running everybody's playlists, and don't forget, if you would like to help us out, please feel free, and don't forget to let us know in the comments. So since this is all over, let's go ahead and talk about the first Paycheck Budget Closeout with $1,239. And what I wanted to do with these pages here is not necessarily plan in them, but pretty much use them as scratch pieces of paper. So for the fixed bills, and that should have been $845 and not $846, so I need to change that. So fixed expenses were $845 from over here. So every month I rewrite this out, and yes, I'm okay with it. So here are all the bills and what they were for the entire month and how I broke them down since I do get paid bi-weekly. And also debt is included in this, so it would be higher. But this is where all the bills are at. Wait, did I say are at? I mean, this is where all the bills are. So I went ahead and subtract $845. I almost said $846. Next, we have debt. And when it comes to debt, I did pay the car note, well, half the car note, $230. And if you do not pay your car note, if you have one, I pay mine bi-weekly because it does help with interest versus waiting to the beginning of the month or waiting to the due date. So that's why I split mine up that way. It's just much easier to do it that way. And then I had that $23 that went back to Navy Federal, and that was just an amount that I owed to the card. Next, we have $45 that I was able to save, and $30 went to SoFi, and the rest went to Ally. Next, we have daily expenses. For grocery, I did budget for $180, but in the end, I ended up with spending $158 with $22 left. For miscellaneous, I actually spent none. For spending, I did spend that whole entire $30. When it comes to gas, I filled up, and that was $27. And I took an extra $3 to save for the Blessed Ladies Challenge. So, this is interesting here. So at the bottom where it says $110 left, with me spending $185, that was when I physically did a check-in just on paper, but that's not right. Here is all the numbers here for grocery. I did spend a total of $158 with $22 left. And you can kind of see both together. So miscellaneous, of course, I spent $0 with $25 left. Spending, I spent that entire $30. And gas, I did spend $30 altogether with $30 left. And for the cash that's in my envelope, I should have $77. We're going to double check to make sure that that is the correct amount. So I'm going to switch you all over now. Okay, y'all, so I finally got the phone flipped around, and I had to find something. Well, I need something on this side, but it's okay. So I have one side of the wallet held down by the planner, which is totally fine. So it shows that I have $77 left. So first, for spending, of course, that's $0. Miscellaneous, we have the money, and this is what we have. So $10, $25. So $25. Next, we have gas. And we have a receipt, which I will scan if I haven't already done so. And we have $30. And my battery need charging. Great. But it's okay. We're at the end. And the last one is for grocery. For grocery, we have 21 and 2, so 22. Let me get everything together. Okay, so I tried to give a little light from this ring light that's up above. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 6, 7. So $77 that I was able to save for the last 2 weeks. Myself, normally I'm going over. I'm always over. And normally you all would see that as a pattern, but I pumped the brakes. I've learned my lesson, and I know you've all heard this story 1,000 times, but we talked about it in a previous video where I said I'm sick of it, I'm tired of it, I don't want to do it anymore, and let me get this money out so we can add it to February. Okay, so I definitely need to make this a better 3, and this $3, it went to my Ally account because I needed to swap some money around. So this is an Ally, and I just need to put it in the bucket. And the 77 is in cash. So we have 77 plus $3 equals, y'all, that's $80. Oh my goodness. Okay, I did add a little more light. I am shocked about this $80 because I didn't use all the money for grocery or any envelope except for spending, and I am so excited about this. So let's add everything up. So from the previous month, I was able to save $46. And 77 plus 3 is 80 bucks. So all together now, $126. So let me write that down. Now, I normally wouldn't do that every single time, but I just want to make sure. And I also want to do this here. So, because we just counted. And 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wait, this should be 40. Wait a minute, I'm messing up. Okay, so I know I have $30 right here. And then for ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, I know what the problem is. Remember when I did the previous video about this challenge and I said I had extra money saved that I forgot about? This is the extra money. So I need to change the total, which I'll do. Okay, y'all, I have it figured out. So for January, we have $61 plus the money for February, which I still haven't gotten my... Wait a minute. Y'all, tell me why I was up here talking and I accidentally pressed stop, but I was only talking for a couple seconds. So this is the money for January. It is $60. And I know also for the month of January, I should have $1 in Ally, but I'm pretty sure that dollar went to a different savings. So we're not going to worry about that. So $60 plus $80 is $140. Y'all, $140 saved for 2 months. And that's on top of saving extra money as well. So what I'm going to do now, pause. So I just went through, put the January money in here, but I put it this way. And I was able to fit all the money for February in here. So I'm putting it in that way. And I'll go ahead. Well, I need to fix this, but it's okay. And this is the challenge that actually came with this box. So now We are working on March. If I do have any extra rollover from the second budget, I will add it to February also. And I know I need to show you all my February second paycheck budget. So I need to film another video, and I'll get that put out as well. I hope you all have a great Friday. I'm going to sit down, probably drink some water because I do feel like I have a headache. And y'all, these medical bills are getting out of hand. Tell me why I got a medical bill from the ophthalmologist from October. October, y'all. Like, it's February. Normally, I've never had that to happen, but I'm definitely going to call them because something sounds suspicious. But I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I will be tuned in to everyone's video. For the ones that have tagged me in their video for the Blessed Ladies Challenge, I will go back and rewatch that. I haven't been feeling 1,000%, more like 80%. So have a great day, everyone. Bye.